In today's tutorial, we're going to discuss how to transform PDF pages using IronPDF in C#. How's it going, everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to transform pages inside PDF file using IronPDF in C#, including shifting and scaling page content. So first, we're going to go ahead and download and install IronPDF from the NuGet package manager. Just search for IronPDF and then add it to your project. Next, open your program.cs file, and at the top, add using IronPDF to bring in the IronPDF namespace. Also, set your license keys here to unlock all the features. So now, load the PDF file that you want to modify using the PDF document.fromFile method. We can transform a page by using the transform method on the page itself. This method takes parameters for shifting on the X and Y axes, and then scaling the page width and height. This moves the content 50 points right and down and scales it 80% of its original size. Finally, we'll save the transform PDF back to disk using the save as method. All right, so let's go ahead and run the application and wait for it to process the file. All right, and there you go. Your PDF page content has been shifted and scaled, and the output file transform.page PDF shows the transform page in comparison to the original file. So with IronPDF, you can do much more than just transforming pages, from creating and merging PDFs to adding watermarks, headers, footers, and editing content. It's the complete toolkit for .NET. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like some more tutorials from Iron Software. If you want to get started with IronPDF, go ahead and sign up for the trial on the site. Continue, download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. There's a link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.